Sit down. Oh my god. Oh dude, oh my god.
At 4:30 a.m. on August 24th, a 911 call led police to apartment 803.
911 emergency.
Hi, I was just waking up from my sleep with some screaming and yelling, and I couldn't quite tell what it was until somebody came around the corner saying that somebody killed her daughter. Oh. And she had blood all over her face, and her shirt was ripped. But
Albuquerque police. Hi. What's going on?
I don't know, they just knocked her out.
Okay. Okay.
She came in and she was like, yes, I believe in God or something. And I said, yes. And she took the iron and she hit me in the head, and then she kept hitting me.
Who is this that did this?
Jessica Kelley. My daughter's supposed to be in there, but when I left, she said my daughter's dead.
This is Michelle Martens, Victoria's mother. Fresh blood trickles down her forehead, yet her face is eerily calm. No panic, no tears, no desperate cries for help. How can a mother stay this stone cold while her 10-year-old child is in deadly danger just steps away?
Okay, your daughter? How old is your daughter? Okay. Who's Jessica? Just a friend?
Yeah.
Okay, what apartment were you in? Okay. Okay, was she hitting your daughter at all?
I haven't been able to.
Okay, who else is in there? Alright.
Officers rush down the hallway, charging straight toward the back rooms. They kick the door open and slam inside, expecting an attacker.
Hey, come open the door. Jessica, come open the door. This is the Albuquerque police.
But the room is completely empty. Jessica isn't there. Moments later, a radio call breaks out. Police down near the ground floor stairs spot a woman fleeing and immediately tackle her to the pavement.
Stop flipping. Stop flipping. Why'd you lock the door? Okay. Sit down.
The moment officers spot Jessica downstairs, covered in wet bloodstains and fresh cuts, their instincts instantly kick into overdrive. Knowing something went horribly wrong upstairs, they charge back into the building and breach her apartment door with full force. When the door finally gives way, the air turns cold. Stepping inside, officers freeze as they're confronted by a scene so chilling it completely changes the course of the entire investigation. Officers navigate through the trashed apartment, stepping over flipped furniture and scattered debris. They push open the bathroom door, and the room instantly goes dead silent. Inside the tub, wrapped tightly in a smoke-damaged blanket, lies 10-year-old Victoria. Her body is partially burned, showing visible signs of a brutal physical assault, completely unresponsive as officers desperately call for medical backup.
Hey man, she's 10-7, man. Get out of here, she's 10-7. Dude. Hey! Hey, put her in your car, man! Dude, the child's 10-7 is nice. What are you? Walk! I don't care if your leg's broken, you're gonna walk. You're gonna walk. You didn't get thrown off, you jumped off. I saw you close the door.
This is Jessica Kelley, Fabian's cousin, a convicted felon currently on probation. Look at the condition she's caught in. Her clothes are soaked in water, stained with soot,
Go ahead.
and her behavior is wildly aggressive, clearly under the influence of drugs.
Female temp, 10:30 is unconscious in the bathtub of the apartment. We're gonna be reported to do so. Dude, doesn't matter, just pull her. Just pull her, dude. It doesn't matter. Walk!
You might think the story ends here, that everyone involved is behind bars and justice is served. Think again.
Go! We'll get you help later. Let's go now. Who else was in the apartment with you? Where's the other guy? Who's the other guy? Hey, just pull up your car.
In the next part, we dive into the chilling psychological breakdowns, the full unedited interrogations, and the bizarre statements from Michelle Martens that completely flipped this entire investigation upside down. Stay tuned, because what really happened inside that apartment turns this case into one of the most disturbing mysteries in modern American history.
What's your name? What? What's your date of birth? Jessica. What? Why did you run from us and lock us out of the apartment? Let's go! Let's get in the car. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You're down. We'll get you help for your leg. You broke your leg after you jumped off the balcony, just so you know. Put your feet in there. Put your feet down.